Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start now by making sure power and access are correct. Plug the case in and wait until the LED indicates enough charge. This prevents intermittent connections. While charging, inspect and gently remove grime from meshes because dirt blocks sound. Once done, bring your source device within 1 to 2 meters and disable other Bluetooth outputs, as interference causes dropouts. Now open the case and watch for the connection animation. If it appears, test audio briefly to confirm basic function before moving on. You will now fix software and pairing issues by resetting the connection state. First, forget the AirPods in your device's Bluetooth list to remove old profiles, because cached data can cause pairing loops. Then, with the case lid closed, press and hold the rear button for about 15 seconds until the LED cycles amber then white. This ensures a full factory reset. After that, repair the AirPods and check for firmware or OS updates on your device, since mismatched versions can produce sound or mic problems. You finish by isolating hardware faults and applying final remedies. Remove each AirPod and play audio separately to determine if an individual bud or the case is failing. This narrows whether it's a battery, speaker, or connection issue. Make sure charging pins and contacts are clean and straight, and gently wipe any corrosion, because poor contact prevents charging. If problems persist after these steps, contact the manufacturer for service. They can test internal batteries or drivers and arrange replacement to restore reliable performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.